Installation of gong machines. The accessories worn at the factory are for manual use of the gong machine. No need to install when mounting to the saw table. First remove the black top cover from the gong machine. Align the gong machine inverted plate with the hole position. Just align the holes and fasten them with screws. Loosen the locking card by the gong machine high or low. Cutter head installation. Bits with 12.7 shanks. Hold down the locking pin by hand. Just use a wrench to tighten the lock. Putting the gong machine into the saw table. If there is any unevenness, the height can be adjusted by the 4 screws underneath. Just flush with the countertop. Thread the gong machine fastening screws into the. Tighten the bottom with a nut. Gong machine installation completed. Upper cutter head height adjustment. Lock the lower locking stopper firmly in place. Lower nut can be fine-tuned.